Welcome to the hottest innovation neighborhood in America.
If seeing is believing, I'm a believer. I spent the morning at the Georgia Tech Advanced Manufacturing Pilot Facility, and what I have seen has convinced me that what you have here in Atlanta is incredibly special, and I am proud that we've chosen Atlanta as the place to make this announcement, and I'm proud that we've chosen your coalition as among the 60 to get one of these planning grants.
Today, we celebrate. And we're celebrating possibilities. The possibilities made available through transformational investments in advanced manufacturing through the $1 billion Build Back Better Regional Challenge.
A grant like this helps us to connect with our partners outside of Georgia Tech, as well as provide our students with opportunities to work on very interesting problems.
The opportunity for Atlanta is to be an example not just of innovation, but of inclusive innovation.
Not everyone has been included in the economic boom. And our work's not done until everyone is included in the economic recovery and the economic boom. And that means Black entrepreneurs, that means folks who live in rural Georgia, that means people without a college degree, that means people without a high school degree.
The next challenge, as you may have heard from the Secretary, is that they're going to award about 20 to 30 grants that are going to be in the neighborhood of $50 to $100 million. The next thing is to get the team to work on the actual proposal, the big proposal that will show to the government and to the EDA and others that the Georgia Tech team, or the Georgia team, is capable of delivering on this promise of having manufacturing back in the United States.
So their focus is to bring artificial intelligence and advanced manufacturing to communities that have not had access to these jobs, to technical training, to workforce training, to jobs in this field.
But we want to make sure that as Atlanta emerges as one of those really iconic hubs of entrepreneurship and innovation, that we do better than others have done before us.